We've officially hit the halfway mark for fiscal year 2018, and CH2M Hill Plateau Remediation Company employees have made major headway completing projects to reduce risk across the Hanford site. After 8 years of extensive work, the team at the 61810 project completed backfilling the former waste site with nearly 600,000 tons of clean soil. Workers removed over 500,000 tons of radioactive material and soil, which included waste drums. Workers are also preparing to remove highly radioactive material in the 100K area, just 400 yards from the Columbia River. A team of dedicated women and men have worked on the sludge removal project for years now. They are in the final phases before project startup. This quarter, workers completed the contractor operational readiness review, ensuring procedures, processes, and personnel are ready to begin operations safely and compliantly. The next major review is the Department of Energy operational readiness review. It must be completed before sludge removal can begin in May. And once sludge removal begins, it will be packaged and sent to T-Plant, a facility modified to store sludge. Workers successfully completed an assessment which proves they are ready to receive sludge.
I am very excited that we are getting to the point that we can accept sludge here at T-Plant. It's a big environmental issue to get the sludge away from the river, and we're going to be the place where it's stored, at least temporarily, until the final long-term disposition is determined.
The plutonium finishing plant team is in recovery and stabilization efforts following December's contamination spread. While routine fixative application and surveys are ongoing, crews are now shipping previously packaged waste from PFP, setting up new mobile offices and planning additional stabilization activities. The 324 building disposition project continues to make significant strides toward removal of highly radioactive soil beneath the 324 building. Workers completed a cleanout of a cell within the building, which allows for future placement of waste bins that will contain radioactive soil workers will remotely excavate from beneath the building. Also completed is the initial factory acceptance testing for the soil removal equipment, which includes a remote excavator arm and other system components. CHPRC is demolishing the Research Technology Laboratory Complex known as RTL. Demolition of the administrative portions of the laboratory, which sits on the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory campus, is almost complete. Planning and hazard reduction are underway as crews prepare to demolish the areas of the facility where some radioactive contamination resulted from research during operations. Hanford's groundwater treatment program is getting a boost thanks to worker innovation. Workers came up with a way to upgrade vessels used to treat contaminated groundwater. These optimization efforts are allowing more groundwater to be treated. And speaking of great project work, there's the Oscars. And for the people in our industry, there is the Project Management Institute Awards. CHPRC has won the Project Management Institute Columbia River Basin Chapter 2018 Project of the Year Award. CHPRC received the award for the outstanding planning and work that went into the Purex Tunnel 1 project. Congratulations! CHPRC also introduced a new initiative called the Highway to Hanford. The Highway to Hanford is CHPRC's commitment to promoting opportunities in the local community, for bringing the next generation of workers to Hanford and enhancing a healthy quality of life and diversity in our community. Stay tuned as we roll out more details on the Highway to Hanford and what that means for you. One of the main focuses is STEM. And as part of this, volunteers gave their time and talents during Engineers Week and at other STEM-related events. Kids had fun while learning about science, technology, engineering, and math from our workers. Finally, our workers are doing a great job in the community. CHPRC was a top fundraising team for the Special Olympics Polar Plunge and was the second highest fundraising team for Junior Achievement Bowling.
It always goes to the side.
This was an action-packed quarter. We thank our workers for their commitment to their work on site and to the youth of our community. Thanks for watching. Until next time.